of cool in this car. So what it's equipped with is an EMS built block, has a fully built head, Piper Stage 5 cams. I mean, it's fully done. There's not a single thing more we can do. But right now, we're just on pump gas. So this is 91. It's a semi-moderate tune. It does have a little sauce in it, obviously by Ryan. We're still working on it. It's running about 25 pounds right now on our FFP wastegate. And of course, we have our NX2 turbo. So we're just gonna hit the frontage road real quick here and let you guys hear the car. We're just gonna roll up the windows just a little, so at least you can hear the exhaust note. All right, we'll turn the AC on. So it's a very hot day. I mean, we're at 110 degrees right now, and I have a passenger in the seat. I got Chase here filming. So I mean, this car definitely scoots for 91 pump gas. And let's see, we get about, 25 pounds of boost. You can see on the cob right there. And you know, I mean, this gate can run a lot of PSI, but I'm gonna hit the limit on my map sensor. So the most we can obviously make is 30. We haven't touched the tune since obviously I've been out for about 3.5 weeks. Can turn the traction off right now. And we'll get an outside clip of the exhaust as well. Car definitely moves.
Actually kind of scoots.
For 91, that is so awesome. Hear the exhaust note. This is the Tomei Extreme. You can hear that tile blow off valve. Do a couple revs. The car is on slicks, so it is really hard to get kind of squirrely and fun with it. So that's why I mean, it hooks up really well, even on 4.5 degrees of camera. I did see some those things called cops over there, so we'll
some light fed work.
Car does backfire around 4,000 RPM. I love it. It does not have a burble tune, so whatever you hear is kind of natural. All right, you know what? I'll do forgot to turn advanced track off. I've actually never done that with advanced track on. It actually did a really good job of holding the donut, and then it kind of just let the car go, which was unpredictable. But sounds pretty awesome. Really like how the car sounds. Just need to get off these freaking slicks. It's been, I don't know why, I haven't had time to get the darn street tires on. So, but once we get the street tires on, guys, we are going to be videoing this car like crazy. It really didn't get the attention it deserved, even before all of that craziness of losing the motor and all that stuff. But they're going to keep the wrap on, but put a lot of the carbon wide body, and then I think some of you guys know, probably going to do the FDF drifting front end. So that'll allow the car to have a lot of angle. If you guys don't know about angle kits. We're doing a nitrous system in the car. That's already here. We've got the full methanol system. That's already here. And we'll get some exhaust notes again. And I mean, that was our little fun for the day. I'm gonna get the exhaust real quick again.
Yeah.